Hi friend, this is Megan from the Homes I've Made and the Organization Toolbox. I am super excited to show you one of the newest features on one of the kits in the toolbox, and I'm specifically referring to the recipe organization kit in the changeable format. So one request I have gotten over and over and over again is that followers love my recipe organization binder, but they don't want to use the 6 categories that I typically have in here. So what I have done is I have gone in and I have eliminated my 6 categories and I have made these into completely changeable categories so you can make a recipe binder that works perfectly for you. So if you want to do this, you need to make sure that you're in the changeable version of the recipe workbook. Second, you need to make sure that you open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader. You may have other PDF reader programs on your computer. These text boxes are specifically formatted and will work the best using Adobe Reader. So I highly recommend that you go and download the latest and free version of the program for your computer. Once you have Adobe Reader on your computer, go ahead and open the PDF. And this is what it will look like. And you will notice that this changeable kit has all of these blue text boxes. I actually have text already entered into these. That's what they say, category 1, category 2, category 3. And you can click into any of these and change them. And the really, really exciting thing is that I have done all the hard work for you, so you don't even need to think about carrying your categories all the way through the color coding, because once you type it once, let me just show you. Let's make this crock pot. Once you type it in and you kind of click out of it, you will notice that everywhere it said category 1, it now says crock pot. Isn't that wonderful? All the way down the entire kit. So anytime you type into a specific box, they are linked throughout the entire kit, so that the color coding stays intact and you don't have to go crazy trying to figure out what you called which color. One thing I want to caution you when you're doing this, I recommend that you put your titles in these pages first. These pages are the most limiting size as far as how many letters you can fit. So if you can fit your category on these recipe title pages, then they will fit everywhere else. And here's what I mean. So I was able to fit crock pot on here, no problem. But let's say I wanted to put crock pot recipes. You'll notice it does not fit here, okay? And it may not fit in other areas of the printables. So just a good rule of thumb when you are filling this out is if it fits on these pages, it will fit throughout the whole rest of the kit. So you can come through and put anything in here that you like, and literally within minutes, I'm trying to think of recipe categories off the top of my head here. So you will notice just by putting in those 6 recipe categories, in a matter of seconds, my whole kit is fully customized and ready to go. So this now allows you to create the recipe organization kit in any categories that you could possibly need. Just like all the other printables, this kit still features all those text boxes. So once you do change out your categories, you can come in and add in all of your recipes and all of the other information that you want to know. So here's the recipe cards. Went ahead and pre-populated that title for you. So I hope this provides some clarity on how quick and easy it can be to customize your recipe binder into the categories that you need. If you have any questions, be sure to shoot me a question on the question tab in the FAQ page. Otherwise, I will see you around the blog soon. Bye.